Pipedrive versus Copper, the ultimate shutdown in 2025. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to create a review for these two websites right here, which is Pipedrive and the other one is Copper. I'm going to create a review about them and to know more about these two websites and how you can use them to carry out your goal, your purpose, and how you can use them. At the same time, we got to tell which one is the best by creating a simple review about those two websites, and we see you as a person can decide which one is the best for you. They are both the best. The two websites offers the best of their services, but as an individual, you will be able to decide which one you think is best for you. So right now I'm on Copper website, so I'm going to switch back to Pipedrive. So under Pipedrive website, Pipedrive is also known for its outstanding services online. They offer a wide range of services. For example, they offer lead generation, they offer awesome deal, they offer faster project delivery, they also carry out instant campaigns setup, they also carry out deep insight. They also offer a free plan available. They make free plan for their services, but this free plan has 30 days ultimatums. After 30 days you have to subscribe for you to be able to continue to use their services. So they offer like 30 days trial for you to test their service. After that, then you can now pay now. And also their pricing is $24 per month. I don't know, there must be a discount. Probably if you check into their website, then you create an account, then you set up your business. The main purpose of you creating an account with them for them to help you manage your business. After that, then you can check back to their pricing list, then you can see if there's an offer or there's a discount of when you create an account on their website. So let's get started with the Pipedrive. So this is the Pipedrive website. First thing, let's go to their services, which is the features. You can see Pipedrive is a full features that help you patronize deal, track your performance, and predict revenue. So you can also track your revenue. So here's one of their services. They manage leads and deals. So you get more leads and straight into your sales pipeline and around the clock from your custom chatbot and web form. They also track communication. They track calls, emails, contact history, exactly where you need to, and have full visibility and control of your schedule. They also provide automate and growth, which is they also provide that. They also provide insight reports to your business. If you are the kind of person that needs a website to grow your business, you are in huge pain for you to grow your business, this website is the best for you. I think it's best for you because with the type of services they offer, it shows that they know what they are doing, and also they provide privacy and security. They also have a mobile app and integration. They provide services on the mobile device, and also they also provide services on some boosting apps like that. And they also have a very high rate. They have very high rate. They provide 3,000 reviews and rating, starting from this Cattles and GitHub, software advice, and SourceForge like that. So their services is inevitable. You can see make sales success and inevitable with Copper. There seems to be more awesome. They have a lot of this is the downside of their website. So that is more about that. So if you don't want to subscribe, you can also start with free. You can try this website for free to check it out yourself to see most important things. But this is their major roles. These are major roles. This is what they do, and very sure they can deliver. Now the next in line is Copper website. Copper is one of the most highly talked about websites on internet space. They also have about 7.5 review out of 10 reviews on the internet, and they also provide different type of services. They provide automate tasks. They provide cool email template for you to be able to generate to say if you want to mail, if you want to send an email, to generate an email template. They also provide visual workflow builder. They also provide easy data import, awesome sales pipeline, and they also make this website free plan available. So if you want to use this, you can try. You can see here, try Copper free. Yeah, if you want to try it free, you can just tap on here, then you can start. So you just have to create your account using your email. Then you set up your account. Then you can navigate through the app, and can bring the most important things out of it. So Copper also helps you to connect with leads and win deals, just like Pipedrive. They also connect with deals and help you win deals. They connect with leads and help you win deals. They also deliver projects and create repeat clients in one easy tools to use. And also they provide a lot of things, make your teams widely productive. They provide a lot of wide range of tools. Here is it, email template, and they also manage the entire customer journey. They provide a lot of work tools. They provide a lot of work tools, which makes it awesome. Yeah, this is pretty cool. There's nothing much about this website, but like I said, they also provide a lot of things. Now here's the pricing up here. Let's check about their pricing. So here's their pricing right here. So if you want to get started after you list your free trial, want to get started to the website, you have to pay the sum of $9. So the month is not stated. Okay, $9 per month, which is $9 per seat per month, paid annually. And also they also provide a plan for basic. They also provide a plan for basic, which is about $23, which is per seat per month and paid annually. They also provide for professional, which is around the $59. It's also for per seat per month and per annual. And can also offer the business plan, which is around $99, which is per seat per month and paid annually. So it depends on you. And they also have category. Each plan has the limited services they can offer. For example, under the starter, you have about 1,000 contact limit and Google Workspace integration. They also provide tax activities field. They also provide forum and zipper integration. Under the basic, you have about 2,500 what their contact limit. You also you have access to task automation, pipeline, project management, and contact management. You can see that if you're under professional plan, you have nothing less than 15,000 contact limit, workflow automation, bulk email, reporting, and integration. So back to the business plan, which is the highest, and that's $99, which is they also provide unlimited contact. They also provide email series. They also provide custom reports, multi-currency, and premium support. So how this makes it stand out, especially if you actually subscribe for business plan. And that's it. There's nothing much here. This is their product right here. This kind of product they provide you is their services right here. They organize contacts, they elevate email. They also have integrate apps. They also they can connect your favorite apps and tools. You can also track deals from here. You can also they have automate tests, which creates and recurring tasks and notification. They also provide mobile app. They also they manage projects, get report, and also they provide CRM, Google Workspace, and which is pretty awesome from them. And that's it. Find this video helpful. Turn on the notification button and let me know in the review section which one you think is the best.